Welcome to CarsNew channel. This time, we will discuss the all-new 2025 Renault Clio Unveiled. Renault has unveiled the all-new 2025 Clio, bringing new life to one of Europe's most beloved compact cars. Known for its chic design, efficient performance, and urban agility, the Clio has consistently been a go-to for drivers who want a stylish and practical vehicle. With a refined look, tech-forward features, and a fresh approach to eco-friendly power, the 2025 Clio is ready to stand out in the modern hatchback scene. Sleeker and sportier design. The new Clio introduces a sleeker exterior, with Renault updated design language giving it a more assertive and aerodynamic shape. The front features a sharper grille with a prominent Renault logo, flanked by redesigned LED headlights that deliver a sophisticated edge. The bumper has been reimagined with a sporty stance, emphasizing the Clio's youthful energy while retaining the compact dimensions that make it perfect for city driving. The 2025 Clio offers several vibrant new color options, including electric blue and sunburst yellow, giving it a fresh personality. New alloy wheel designs available in 16 and 17-inch options enhance the Clio's road presence while preserving its trademark nimbleness. Eco-friendly powertrain options. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Renault Clio is its expanded range of eco-friendly powertrain options. Renault is offering a mild hybrid variant that combines a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor to provide fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. This system not only delivers excellent fuel economy, but also reduces emissions, making it a greener option for drivers in urban settings. For those looking for even greater efficiency, the Clio's full hybrid e-tech engine combines electric and gasoline power for smooth and quiet urban commuting with low emissions. With up to 40% electric driving capacity in city conditions, this Clio is both environmentally friendly and ideal for reducing fuel costs. A modernized, tech-savvy interior. Inside, the 2025 Clio is all about modern tech and comfort. A large 10-inch digital driver's display and a new 9-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system make up the car's high-tech center console. Renault's latest EasyLink system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration without a tangle of cables. Additionally, Renault has introduced advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking, all aimed at enhancing safety on both highways and city streets. Compact car with big appeal. The 2025 Renault Clio balances style, eco-consciousness, and tech sophistication, making it an appealing choice for city dwellers and commuters alike. With its new powertrains, sleek design, and cutting-edge technology, the Clio continues to evolve with the needs of modern drivers. This all-new model reaffirms Renault's commitment to crafting cars that are as fun to drive as they are responsible, ensuring the Clio's place in the hearts of drivers for years to come.